Good morning, students. Welcome to class 6th, subject mathematics, chapter 14, practical geometry, lecture number 3. Before starting this lecture, let us recapitulate that we have done in lecture number 2. In lecture 2, we have done how to construct perpendicular to a line through a point on it. Means when a point is given on the line. How we draw a perpendicular? Draw a line L, mark a point P on it, on which we have to draw the perpendicular, with P as a center and taking suitable radius, draw an arc which cut line L at 2 points A and B. With A and B as a center and taking radius more than half of AB, draw two arcs which cut each other at Q. Join PQ. PQ is perpendicular to line L. After that, we have done to construct a perpendicular to a line through a point not on it when point is given outside the line. Draw a line L, mark a point P which is not on the line. With P as a center and taking suitable radius, draw an arc which cut line L at 2 points A and B. Now with A and B as a center and taking radius more than half of AB, draw two arcs which cut each other at Q on the other side of P. Where P is there you will not make the arc, other side you will make. Join PQ. PQ is perpendicular to line L. After that, we have done how to draw a perpendicular bisector with ruler and compass. Draw a line segment AB of any length with A as a center and taking radius more than half of AB, draw two arcs on both sides of AB. Okay, then with B as a center and taking same radius, draw two more arcs on each side of AB which cut the previous arcs at point C and D. Join CD. CD is perpendicular bisector of AB. If we will give name here O, then we can say that AO is equal to OB. Now today's topic. Today we will do constructing an angle of given measure by protractor. After that, copy of angle. When angle is given, how to make a copy of it? Bisector of an angle. How to bisect a given angle into two equal parts. Constructing angle of special measures 60 degree, 30 degree, 120 degree, 90 degree with the help of ruler and compass. Let's start with our first topic, constructing angle of given measure by protractor. Say it be 40 degree. Suppose we have to make an angle of 40 degree with the help of protractor. How we will draw it? Draw a line AB. This is a line AB. Place the center of the protractor at A and zero edge along AB. This is the center of the protractor. This we have to keep on A. We have to place it on A. and this zero edge will be on AB. Start with 0 which is near to B. Which 0 is near to B? Because 0 degree is here and 1 is on the other side. But other side 0 we will not see. We will see this 0 because this is near to B. Okay, start from 0, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. We have to make the 40 degree Celsius. So mark point here at 40 degree. Give this point name C and join AC. So angle BAC is 40 degree. Now see its steps of construction. How I have drawn it. Same steps I have written here. Draw a line AB. Place the center of the protractor at A and 0 edge along AB. Start with 0 near B. Mark point C at 40 degree. Join AC. Angle BAC is the required angle. In this way we can draw any angle with the help of protractor. Now next is how to make a copy of an angle. Okay, given an angle A whose measurement we don't know. So first of all we will make an angle of any measurement whose measurement we don't know. This is angle A. Okay, we don't know that this angle is of how much degree. Now how we will make the copy of it? Draw a line L. Here I am making the copy of this angle. Draw a line L. Mark a point P on it. This is point P. Place the pointer of the compass at A and draw an arc to cut the rays of angle A at B and C. See how we will do. Place the pointer of the compass at A and draw an arc such that it will cut the rays of angle A at B and C. Give it name B, C. Now from P and using the same compass, see I have not disturbed the compass. Now from P, place same compass on point P and draw one arc in the same way, which cut line L at Q. Like this. Same measurement I have taken, which cut line L at Q. Now open your compass equal to length BC. This is BC. Open your compass equal to length BC. Adjust your compass. Fine. Place the pointer of the compass at Q. Because we have marked from here na B, C. So now we will place our compass pointer on Q and cut this previous arc. And it will cut previous arc at R. Give it name R. Join PR. join PR. This angle RPQ is the copy of angle CAB. You can check it by measuring it with the help of protractor. See, this angle is of 45 degree and this angle P is of also 45 degree. Understood? Again, I am telling you by showing the steps of construction, that how we have drawn this copy of angle C. First step, how we have done? Draw a line L and mark a point P on it. This angle A is given to us. Okay, because it is given in the question, given an angle A whose measurement we don't know. So this is given to us. Now draw a line L and mark a point P on it. Place the pointer of the compass at A. Compass of the pointer at A and draw an arc to cut the rays of angle A at B and C. This ray. We have drawn this arc which cut rays of angle A at B and C. Now from P and using the same radius, you will not disturb the radius. You will not disturb the compass. Using the same compass setting, draw an arc which cut line L at Q. We have drawn this arc which cut line L at Q. Now open your compass equal to length BC. Place the pointer of the compass at Q and taking same radius means equal to BC. Draw one arc which cut the previous arc at R. Join PR. Angle RPQ is the copy of angle CAB. Now our next topic is how to draw the bisector of an angle. Means how to divide an angle into two equal parts. This is angle of which we have to draw the bisector. So what we have to do? First of all, draw angle A of any measurement whose bisector you have to draw. We have to draw the bisector of this angle A. Now with A as a center and taking suitable radius, draw an arc to cut both the rays of angle A at B and C. We can open our compass of any radius. Okay. So this arc will cut both the rays of angle A at B and C. This is point B and this is C. Now with B as a center and taking same radius, actually we have to take more than half. Okay, and it is equal to BC, so this also we can take because equal to BC is also more than half. So with B as a center and taking same radius, draw one arc. Now with the same radius, from C, draw one more arc which cut the previous arc. Let us draw this one also. Okay, again I am telling, with B as a center and taking same radius, draw one arc. After that, with C as a center and taking same radius, draw another arc which cut the previous arc at D. Let us give this point name D, this point name. Now join AD. See beta, D is this point. Don't join with these arcs. We have to join it with this intersecting point where these two arcs intersect. Join AD. AD is the required bisector of angle A. Let us check with the help of protractor. Our angle A is of 60 degree. Okay. Now see this angle, this half of angle A means where we have drawn the bisector. This is 30 degree. Means this is also 30 degree and this is also 30 degree. And this complete angle is of 60 degree. Now see its steps of construction. Draw angle A of any measurement whose bisector you have to draw. With A as a center and taking suitable radius, draw an arc to cut both rays of angle A at B and C. With A as a center, draw an arc to cut both rays of angle A at B and C. With B as a center and taking same radius, draw an arc. With B, हमने B से एक arc लगाया. Now with C as a center and taking same radius, draw another arc which cut the previous arc at D. With C as a center which cut the previous arc at D. Join AD. AD is the required bisector of angle A. Now our next topic is to draw angle of special measure. First of all, we are going to construct an angle of 60 degree with the help of scale and compass. You can also draw with me. First of all, draw any ray OA. This is ray OA. Now with O as a center and taking suitable radius, draw an arc to cut OA at C. With O as a center, taking suitable radius, draw an arc to cut OA at C. Clear? Now with C as a center and same radius. Okay, we will not change the compass setting. With C as a center and taking same radius, cut this previous arc. Give this point name D. Join OD. Join OD and produce it. Okay, we will make it longer one. So this angle, let us give here name B. This angle AO B is equal to 60 degree. Angle AOB is equal to 60 degree. See again. First of all, we have drawn one ray OA with O as a center, and taking suitable radius, draw an arc which cut ray OA at C. With same radius and center C, draw one more arc which cut the previous arc at D. Join OD and produce it up to point B. Name it B. So this angle AOB, or we can say BOA, it is of 60 degree. Check it by measuring it. See, this is of 60 degree. These are the steps of construction. Draw any ray OA with O as a center and suitable radius. Draw an arc to cut OA at C with C as a center and same radius. Draw an arc to cut previous arc at D. Join OD and produce it and give name OB. Angle AOB is equal to 60 degree. Now next we have to construct an angle of 30 degree. See how we will construct. First of all, we have to construct an angle of 60 degree as we have done just now. After that we will bisect this angle. Each angle is of 30 degree. हमने पिछले उसमें भी किया था where we have done the angle bisector. Okay. So first of all we will draw the angle of 60 degree and then do the bisector of that angle. Let me tell you in this question only where we have drawn the angle of 60 degree. How to bisect the angle to make it a 30 degree. Open your compass. First of all you have to draw the angle of 60 degree. Now open your compass more than half of CD. Draw one arc from C and one arc from D to cut the previous arc. Give name to this point E. Join OE. Join OE. When you will measure, you will see that these both the angles are of 30 degree. So this OE is the bisector of angle BOA. Now next is to construct an angle of 120 degree. For this also, first of all we have to draw OA, ray OA. Now with O as a center and any suitable radius, draw an arc to cut OA at point C. With O as a center, draw an arc. Draw a big arc, okay, to cut OA at C. With C as a center and taking same radius. Don't change your compass setting. Draw an arc to cut previous arc at D. Give this point name D. Now again one more time, because this is of 60 degree. When we join OD, it will make the 60 degree. Now from D, draw one more arc with the same radius. Give this name E. Okay. With O as a center, first of all you have to draw one big arc which cut ray OA at C. Then with the same radius and C as a center, draw one arc which cut the previous arc at D. Now with D as a center and taking same radius, draw one more arc which cut the first arc at E. Join OE. Join OE and produce it to give it name OB. Now this angle AOB is 120 degree. Let us check it by measuring it with the help of protractor. See, this is angle of 120 degree. Here is the steps of construction, how we have drawn this angle of 120 degree. Now next is to draw an angle of 90 degree, that is right angle. For this also, first of all, you have to draw any line L and mark a point O on it. See, this is your line L and we have marked a point O on it. Now with O as a center and taking suitable radius, draw an arc to cut line L at points A and B with O as a center. Like this. Because we have to cut at 2 points, so we have to draw, we can say, one semicircle. It will cut line L at 2 points A and B. See, this is the straight line. And what is the angle of straight line? 180 degree. And what is 90 degree? 90 degree is half of 180 degree. That means now we will make the angle bisector of this. This is 180 degree and now we will make the bisector of this angle. How we will make? With O as a center, okay, this we have done. Now with A and B as a center, open your compass more than half of AB. Okay. With B as a center, draw one arc. Then with A as a center, draw one more arc which cut the previous arc at C. Join OC. This angle COB, this is your 90 degree. Angle COB, or we can say angle BOC is equal to 90 degree. So whenever we have to make the angle bisector, we will open our compass more than half of given. Okay, given 2 points. In the same way, when we have drawn the 90 degree angle, we can make half of it also. What is the half of 90 degree? 45 degree. So this is your 90 degree angle. When you will make the angle bisector of this? How? When we will open our compass more than half of BC, draw one arc from B and one arc from C. Join OC. It will become the angle bisector of 90 degree. So it will make 45 degree. So we can draw any angle which comes in the table of 15 by ruler and compass. Okay. Angle bisector bana ke we can draw other angles also. These are the steps of construction of this angle. Now see your homework. Your homework is to do exercise 14.6 question number 1 to 9 in fair notebook. See beta, in exercise 14.6, in all the questions it is given draw angle POQ equal of 75 degree and find its line of symmetry. Line of symmetry means angle bisector. So draw it with the help of protractor. Okay. Same second also, draw an angle of measure 147 degree. This also you will draw with protractor. Draw a right angle and construct its bisector. So right angle you will draw with protractor and then you will draw its bisector. Draw an angle of measure 153 degree with the help of compass and with the help of protractor and divided into 4 equal parts. पहले एक बार उसको bisect करोगे, फिर एक बार और कर दोगे. Now see question number 5. Construct with ruler and compass angles of given measure. This you have to draw with ruler and compass. Okay, in the same way as we have done. And how we will draw the angle of 135 degree? You have to make the angle of 90 degree, 180 degree and then you have to bisect it. Okay, because 135 is half of 270 degree. All these questions are like this only. Now homework solution of lecture 2. Your homework was to do exercise 14.4 question number 1 and 2. Question number 1 was draw any line segment AB, mark any point M on it. Through M, draw a perpendicular to AB. This you can draw easily. You have to draw a line. Okay, line segment AB. Mark a point M on it. Now with this point you have to draw a perpendicular. How you will draw? Open your compass of suitable measurement so that it will cut line segment AB at 2 points. Give it name CD. Now open your compass more than half of CD. Okay. Draw one arc from D and one arc from C. Give it name E, or you can give any name. You can give Q. Join QM. So QM is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Perpendicular of AB. Now second is draw any line segment PQ. Take any point R not on it. Through R, draw a perpendicular to PQ. Now the point is not given on line. Roughly I am telling how you will draw. First of all, you have to draw a line segment PQ. Draw a point R which is not on it. Through R, taking suitable radius, draw one arc such that it will cut line segment PQ at 2 points. Okay, it will cut PQ at 2 points A and B. Now open your compass more than half of AB with A as a center. Draw one arc with the same radius. Now with B as a center, draw one more arc which cut the previous arc at point. Okay, R we have given. So give it name O. Join OR. OR is perpendicular to line PQ. Clear? Now exercise 14.5 I have given. Question number 1, 5 and 6. See first question. Draw AB of length 7.3 centimeter and find its axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry is same as perpendicular bisector. So draw one line segment AB of 7.3 centimeter. All the perpendiculars you have to draw in the same way. Whether it is a bisector, in the same way, whether it is of line segment or a angle bisector. Draw a line segment AB of 7.3 centimeter with A as a center. Open your compass now more than half of AB. Draw an arc on each side of AB. AB line के ऊपर भी, just wait, yes, AB line के ऊपर भी और नीचे भी. Now with same radius and B as a center, draw two more arcs which cut the previous arc. ये कट नहीं हो रहा है, so we will extend the previous arc. पहले वाले arc को हम बढ़ा देंगे. Okay. Now join these 2 points. Like this. Give it name C, D. So join CD. CD is the axis of symmetry of the line segment AB. You have to write down the steps of construction also. I know here it is written draw only, but it is better write it down. Now see question number 5. Question number 5 is with PQ of length 6.1 centimeter as diameter, draw a circle. See beta, for making any circle, to construct any circle, we need radius. We don't want diameter, but here it is given diameter. So that means first of all we will draw bisector of 6.1 centimeter. See, this is 6.1 centimeter PQ. Now draw its perpendicular bisector. Open more than half of PQ. One arc here. Now same from P, taking same radius. Draw the which cut these two previous arcs. Join them. This is the diameter. And what is the half of it? Half of it is the radius. We know that half of diameter is the radius. And we want radius to draw any circle. Now this is the center point of the circle. This is the radius. And now you can draw circle. Same is question number 6 also. Draw a circle with center C and radius 3.4 centimeter. 3.4 centimeter का आप एक circle draw करेंगे. Draw any two of its chords. Draw any chord. 3.4 centimeter का circle draw करके draw any one chord. Construct the perpendicular bisector. Okay, and then examine where it passes through the center or not. I will send you the steps of construction also. Thank you.